This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at X reports on the XEA202, 212 and 301 registers. So I'm using the 202, but the information applies across the range. So what is an X report? An X report is really, I guess a flash reading would be a better description of it. It gives you all the information that your end of day Z sales report gives you, but it doesn't reset the information. So you would do an X report perhaps at a shift change, or to see how well you were doing during a day's trading. When you come to the end of the day, you'd then do the Z report, which gives you the same information but resets it. So that's what an X report is. How do you do the X report on the 202? Well, you need the MA key. So on the machine you'll have two keys, one operator which only goes to the sales mode, and then a manager key which will go to all modes including the X1, Z1. So on the Sharps you've got these the two modes but four descriptions: X1, Z1, X2, Z2. This causes a lot of confusion. Essentially, X reports are read only, they don't reset, whereas Z reports will reset. So this machine has four report areas: X1, which we're looking at now, Z1, which we'll look at in the next video, and then we'll combine the X2, Z2 in another video. But essentially they're periodic reporting, either weekly, monthly or quarterly, depending on how you're using the register. So this video is X1 report. So all you do is turn the key to X1, Z1 mode like I've done, and then press the big green TLNS button here, and you get the report print out pretty much straight away. So let's have a look at the information that's on the report. Fold it out a bit so you can see a lot of it. So at the top we've got the date and time. So all your reports are time stamped on these machines. Then it breaks the sales down by departments. So you've got a total of £382.40 have been taken through the different departments here. You then get a net one total. Now this starts to be where your report might vary from mine in terms of the information you're getting. So my machine's been programmed with two tax rates, and those tax rates have been applied to some of the departments. So I'm getting a tax split on mine. You may or may not have that on yours. You also get a guest number, which is basically how many sales transactions you've done. A total, which should be the same as that total, and then an average spend per customer. You then, this is where it then gets really important. You've got cash, check one, Visa, which are your main methods of payment. So I've taken £47.84 in cash, £14.56 in check one, and then £320 in Visa. Then at the bottom, they then, I don't quite know why they do this, but they then combine some of the payment methods and put them into different categories. The problem with this sort of thing is that this has been, I've edited this till, so I know that these ones are correct. So that's the type of information you get on there. This varies from till to till. So these are your in-draw payments. So this is a combination of cash and charge in draw, check in draw, and then 47.84 is your cash in draw. But because of the way I've programmed this machine, it looks incorrect because my Visa button is outside of those three. So yours might look a bit simpler than that. But effectively that's how to do an X report, what the X report means, and then also the crucial thing is whenever you've done any reported, turn the key back to the reg mode, so you're avoiding the chance of causing yourself or a colleague problems later on. In the next video I'll go through the details of Z reports on the XEA202. So you're welcome to check that video out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.